So this is where that rental bath is. This is where we came in from. And then over here, this is kind of the way that it looks. And then this is the reception building. All the way up. And then over here, this kind of, I don't know what you, igloo yurt. They have free drinks. So you come in here. And it's kind of a, you can lounge around. Maybe stare at the sky at night. Okay, and then there's some rooms down there. 4つ部屋あるんですか、ここは。
全然3つ。
three rooms. So we're in Grano, but we're gonna check in. So this is the で、これは一つの、これは夕食では個室になるんですか。
あ、そうです。
じゃあ我々がここで。
はい、
はい、個室です。はい。
かしこまりました。
So this is also the private room. レストランってどこになるんですか。
もうこのつながりで全てレストランです。この建物自体がレストラン。
ちょっと見せてもらっていいですか。
ま
だ今準備中だったらあれなんですけど。So this is where people check in. You see it says Sincerita here. Osteria. Italian.
レストランが今まだ休憩中。
はいはい。いや、雰囲気だけ見ることいいですか。
ちょっと寝てるんです。
そこで寝てるんだ。Okay. Well, there's people resting in there, so we'll take a look at the dinner location later. Okay.